How to connect PS5 controller to Steam. Let's get started. Are you ready to elevate your gaming experience by using your PS5 controller on Steam? In this video, I will walk you through the simple steps to connect your PS5 controller to Steam hassle-free. First things first, let's decide how you want to connect your controller, via a wire or Bluetooth. For a wired connection, all you need is a USB-A and USB-C cable that came with your PS5 controller. Simply plug the USB-C in into the controller and the other end into your PC. Once connected, your controller will light up in the vibrant orange, indicating a successful connection. Prefer a wireless setup? No problem. Let's pair your controller via Bluetooth. Open your PC settings, head to Bluetooth and devices, and click Add a device. Then select Bluetooth and hold down the PS button and the pair button on your controller until it starts flashing blue. Once your controller appears on the list, click on it to pair. When connected, the blue light on your controller will stay solid. Now let's tweak some settings in Steam to ensure smooth gameplay. Go to Steam settings, then click on controller. Make sure to toggle on enable Steam input for PlayStation controllers. To ensure everything's working perfectly, head over to Steam's big picture mode and test your controller inputs. And there you have it. You are all set to dive into your Steam library and start playing your favorite games with your PS5 controller. Don't forget you can also add non-Steam games for a seamless gaming experience. So what are you waiting for? Connect your PS5 controller to Steam and take your gaming to the next level. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials. Happy gaming!